So, Vodafone has unveiled the UK pricing for Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series, revealing the cost of each model and the promotional offers available. Coming direct on point, the base model Pixel 9 will be priced at £750 for the 128GB version and £894 for the 256GB variant. However, between August 13th and September 3rd, there's a promotional offer allowing customers to purchase the 256GB model at the 128GB price of £750. This double the storage for the same price promotion has been confirmed in multiple regions, including France and the US, making it a consistent offer across different markets. Moving up to the Pixel 9 Pro, the 128GB version will be available for £914, while the 256GB variant is priced at £1,094. However, during the promotional period, you can get the 256GB version for £914, which provides a significant storage upgrade at no additional cost. If you require even more storage, the 512GB version will initially be priced at £1,022, with the price increasing to £1,202 after September 3rd. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, the larger model in the series, will normally be priced at £1,022 for the 128GB version and £1,202 for the 256GB variant. During the pre-order window, you can upgrade to the 256GB version for the same price as the 128GB model, £1,022. Additionally, the 512GB version will be available for £1,130 during the promotional period, with the price rising to £1,310 after September 3rd. For those needing maximum storage, the 1TB model will be priced at £1,238 during pre-orders, increasing to £1,562 once the promotional offer ends. Finally, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a new addition to the lineup, will be available with 256GB of storage for £1,670 and 512GB for £1,850. Like the other models, during the pre-order window, you can secure the 512GB version for the same price as the 256GB model, £1,670. With the official unveiling set for August 13th, the anticipation for these new devices continues to build, particularly given the attractive pre-order deals that allow for significant storage upgrades at no extra cost. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.